In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a review on a Whop server. Reviews are valuable for the community and helpful for creators, so let's walk through the process clearly and confidently from start to finish. Begin by opening your browser and heading to the Whop home feed. For the smoothest experience, make sure you're signed into your account so you can access everything you've joined and see accurate results. Once you're on the home feed, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Discover. If you land on a different section, simply switch to the Discover tab so you're browsing the full catalog. At the top of Discover, find the search field labeled I'm looking for and type the exact server or community you want to review. Be as specific as you can, include the full name or a distinctive keyword. As you type, you'll see suggestions appear. Scan the list and choose the listing that matches what you're looking for. Click into that result to open the server's page. Take a moment to confirm you're on the right page by checking the name, icon, and brief description. From here, look toward the top left area near the server name for a small drop-down menu. Open that menu and select Leave a Review. This is where you'll share your experience. Keep your review honest, specific, and respectful. Mention what worked well, note anything that could be improved, and focus on concrete details like the quality of resources, responsiveness of support, or overall value. Many review forms include a star rating and a text box. Use both to give balanced feedback. Avoid sharing any personal or sensitive information and stick to your first-hand experience. If you recently joined, it helps to mention the time frame so others understand your perspective. That's it. By following these steps, home feed, discover, search, open the listing, then use the drop-down to leave a review, you'll contribute meaningful feedback that helps others make informed decisions and supports creators in improving their communities.